Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And are you tired of juggling appointments manually? So, either you are a small business owner, freelancer, or service provider, this website, the Setmore, is here to revolutionize your scheduling process. So, in this tutorial, I will show you step by step on how to use Setmore for appointment scheduling. So, we will cover setting up your Setmore account, customizing your booking page, managing appointments and calendars, and integrating payment options and the other tools. So let's dive in and make scheduling a breeze. So to get started, guys, you need to head to Setmore and sign up for a free account. So here you need to enter your name, email address, and create a source of password. And you can click sign up and follow the prompts to set up your profile. So either then continue with Google or continue with the Facebook one. So add your business name, services offered, and the time zone. So once you will be in the dashboard, you will find all the tools you need to streamline your appointment in one place. So we just need to wait for a while, guys, and you will be directed to the other page, so which is this one. So let's start with your brand here. So you need to fill in your brand name here. So all the field here is you need to fill in here. So your booking page, guys, is what clients will see when they book with you. So to customize it, the first thing you need to do here is, of course, set up your profile. So here, confirm your time zone and then your currency. And after that one is, next one is to finish that one, guys, is now you will be seen here on the dashboard of the Setmore. So your booking page is what clients will see when they book with you. And then to customize it, guys, navigate to apps and integrations and select your booking page. Add a profile photo for branding and write a welcome message, guys, and include any important booking instructions. So this will be seen. So here you can choose either you want a free plan, pro plan, or a team plan. So here are some features that they covered when you avail on this one. So in this tutorial, guys, we will just continue for free. So here, guys, as you can see here, this is now the dashboard of the Setmore. So here on this part, you'll be able to see here the grow your brand here. So here is your brand. So here you can upload here your logo, here your brand details here. So your brand logo here, you can upload an image here. But this is about your logo, guys. And then of course, your booking page URL. So here, guys, choose a custom URL for your booking page like this one. To make your page look professional and inviting, so this is your client's first impression of your business. And right after that one is you'll be able to see here. So by starting uploading your business logo or a professional photo to personalize it, you can also add a friendly welcome message to greet your clients here. So use a clean professional image for your logo, guys, to create a great first impression. Next, it's time to set up your services and team members. So this ensures clients can book exactly what they need. So go to the services action, click add service, enter the name of the service, duration, and the pricing. For example, is haircut 30 minutes is equal to $50, and assign the service to one or multiple staff members. And if you work alone, guys, your name will already be listed under the staff. So this setup works perfectly either you're a solopreneur or managing a team. So you can even set different availability for each time member. So as you can see here, I am managing my availability, guys. And your calendar is the backbone of Setmore, guys. So here's how to set it before. So of course guys, go to the settings and then look for the calendar. Define your working hours such as Monday, Friday, so 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. guys. So I choose this one, and then block of personal on holiday time so clients can book during those periods. And then of course use buffer times to create gaps between appointments. And adding buffers ensures you have time to prepare for your next appointment or a take well-deserved break. So booking appointment is seamless with the Setmore. So let me show you how guys. So click on the calendar for the date and time you want to book. So here is the service title guys. So select the service and the staff member. So if applicable only guys. And of course enter the client details, name, email and phone number. Confirm the appointment and you are now done. So here guys, your client will receive automatic confirmation email or SMS, making it easier for them to stay on track. And Setmore makes it easy to get paid up front for your services. So here's how to set it up guys. Go to apps and integrations and then look for the payments option and connect with the payment process like Stripe, PayPal or of course the Square and the Gcash. So here enable payments during booking process or set deposits for services. So this adds a layer of professionalism to your business and secures booking instantly. So keep all your tools in sync by integrating Setmore with your favorite apps. So connect your Google or Outlook calendar to avoid double booking guys. Enable Zoom or Microsoft Teams for virtual links to be set automatically. So here are some apps that you can see here. And these integrations streamline your workflow so you spend less time managing tools and more time focusing on the clients. And go to the Analytics tab to view booking trends and staff performance, and don't forget to run reports to track revenue, appointment, history, and client retention. These insights help you make a data-driven decisions and scales your business with confidence. And there you have it guys. A completely walkthrough of how to use Setmore to simplify appointment scheduling. So either you're running a solo operation or managing a team, this tool can save your time and help your business thrive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe for more tips on productivity and business tools. So questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below because I would love to hear from you. Bye!